In today's video, I will teach you how to edit golden hour photos in Lightroom. Let's get started. The first step is adjusting white balance for warmth. To do this, open the Develop module or simply press D on your keyboard. And in the basic panel, you can adjust the temperature to around 10 to 40 to enhance the golden glow. And for tint, you can adjust it to 5 to 15 to add a slight magenta to balance greenish tones. This keeps skin tones natural while enhancing the golden light. The second step is using the HSL panel for rich, vibrant colors. To do this, go to the HSL or color panel, then adjust the hue by shifting yellows at around -10 to -40 toward orange for deeper golden tones. Then adjust the blues to around 10 to 30 to make the sky look richer. And for saturation, increase the oranges and reds at around 10 to 30 to enhance warmth. And slightly reduce the yellows to around -10 to -30 to prevent oversaturation. And for luminance, you can increase the oranges at around 10 to 30 for natural glowing skin tones. Then lower the yellows at around -5 to -15 for more depth. This step keeps the golden hour light rich and balanced without overpowering the image. The third step is enhancing the glow with color grading. To do this, go to the color grading panel, then adjust the highlights by adding a golden hue. And for shadows, you can add a slight warm tint. And for midtones, you can add a soft golden or pink hue. This makes the light feel richer and gives the photo a cinematic and glowing effect. The fourth step is enhancing contrast and depth in the tone curve. To do this, create a gentle S-curve by lifting the shadow slightly for softness, then deepen the midtones for depth and slightly lower the highlights to prevent overexposure. This boosts contrast while keeping the dreamy feel of golden hour. The fifth step is adding light and glow with local adjustments. To do this, use the radial filter by pressing Shift M and use it to create a fake sun flare. To do this, you can place it near the sun, then increase the exposure to around 0.3 to 1, then increase the temperature to around 10 to 30 for extra warmth, then lower the dehaze at around -10 to -30 for a soft glow. These small adjustments help enhance natural sunlight and depth. And for finishing touches for a polished look, you can increase the contrast at around 10 to 20 for richness. Then adjust the dehaze at around 5 to 15 for sharper details. Then add a slight vignette at around -5 to -15 for a cinematic touch. And if needed, you can add a grain at around 10 to 30 for film-like texture. And you're done! If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.